Bongos are considered near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Habitat loss due to deforestation, hunting, and other human activities have contributed to their declining numbers in the wild. Due to their secretive nature and habitat preferences, bongos are not often encountered by humans, making them a relatively elusive and fascinating species within the animal kingdom. Bongos are primarily found in dense forests and montane rainforests of Central and West Africa. They are well adapted to such environments, with their coloration and physical features helping them move stealthily through the undergrowth. Bongos have a reddish-brown to chestnut coat with a series of vertical white stripes along their sides. These white stripes are a distinctive feature and serve to break up their outline in the dappled light of the forest. The coloration and stripes are adaptations that help them blend into the dense vegetation of their forest habitat. Bongos are one of the largest forest-dwelling antelopes. They can stand about 120 to 150 centimeters tall at the shoulder. Their body length can exceed 2 meters, including the head and body. Bongos often have a pronounced hump at the shoulders, which is more prominent in males. This hump is formed by a large muscle that assists them in moving through dense vegetation by pushing aside obstacles. Both males and females have long, spiraled horns that grow from the top of their heads. These impressive horns can reach lengths of up to 100 centimeters and are used for defense, territorial displays, and dominance within their social groups. Bongos have relatively short and sturdy legs, which are adapted for traversing the uneven and densely vegetated forest floor. Their strong legs allow them to move through the undergrowth with agility. Adult male bongos can weigh anywhere from around 400 to 600 kilograms or more. Adult female bongos are generally smaller than males and can weigh between 300 and 400 kilograms on average. Bongos are typically solitary animals, meaning they tend to spend most of their time alone. They are known for being secretive and elusive, which helps them avoid predators and navigate through dense forests without drawing attention. Despite their solitary nature, bongos are territorial animals. Males, in particular, establish territories that they mark with scent markings and defend against other males. They may display their horns and engage in physical confrontations to establish dominance and defend their territory. Bongos emit grunting sounds, which can range from soft and low-pitched to louder and more intense. Grunts can be used to communicate with other bongos, especially in territorial interactions. Bongos can produce deep and resonant bellows, often used to establish territory and dominance. These bellows are particularly common during the breeding season when males may compete for access to females. A snorting sound is a quick and sharp noise that bongos use to express alarm or signal the presence of potential danger. It's a way for them to alert others to potential threats in their surroundings. Bongos may make contact calls when they are trying to locate other members of their social group or to maintain communication with a calf. These calls can help bongos stay connected in their solitary lifestyle. Bongos use a range of vocalizations during social interactions with other individuals. These might include soft sounds for more amicable encounters or more intense and assertive sounds during territorial disputes. Bongos are known to be browsers, meaning they primarily feed on leaves of various plants. They use their prehensile tongues to strip leaves from branches. They may consume leaves from a variety of tree and shrub species found in their habitat. Fruits make up an important part of the bongo's diet. They consume a wide range of fruits that are available in their forest environment. Fruits are a valuable source of energy and nutrients. While bongos are primarily browsers, they may also include grasses in their diet, especially during periods when other plant resources are less abundant. Grasses provide additional sources of nutrition. Bongos may also feed on other plant parts such as twigs, buds, and bark. This flexibility in their diet allows them to adapt to seasonal changes in food availability. Bongos typically have a specific breeding season, which can vary based on factors such as geographic location and local climate conditions. The breeding season often coincides with periods of increased food availability and favorable environmental conditions, which are essential for the survival of the young calves. During the breeding season, male bongos become more active in seeking out females and establishing territories. Males use a combination of vocalizations, displays of their impressive spiral horns, and physical contests to establish dominance and gain access to females. Territorial behavior becomes more pronounced during the breeding season. Males mark their territories using scent markings and engage in vocalizations and displays to warn off rival males. These territorial disputes can be intense as males compete for access to females. Once a male establishes his dominance and territory, he may mate with receptive females within his domain. Mating rituals can involve the male courting the female through vocalizations and displays. After successful mating, the male's involvement in parenting is limited. The gestation period for bongos is around 9 months. After the gestation period, a single calf is typically born. Female bongos often give birth in areas with dense vegetation, where they can hide their young from predators. Calves are precocial, meaning they are relatively developed at birth and can follow their mothers soon after birth. Female bongos are responsible for the care and protection of their calves. They provide nourishment, guidance, and protection to their young. Calves remain hidden for the first few weeks of their lives to avoid predators. While bongos are generally solitary, during the breeding season, females with young calves may form small temporary groups. These groups provide some level of protection for the young calves. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.